There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hi you guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, and here it's me Shifta Khan with yet another video. And it's officially the first of my college, like 2 दिन तो it was, but just a fun activity that was going on. So yeah, today I'll meet all my classmates and all the teachers in person, and the first thing I had to do is brushing. And the current face wash I'm using is from Mama Earth. Like, I'm loving it, maybe because of its silicone brush, because that's kind of a give massage early in the morning, and then what else do you need? So it freshen up and lightens your skin as well, and it illuminates and glows up. So you can buy if you want to. The link will be in the description box. Okay, so I've set my bed properly, and that's my laptop bag. Okay, so that is not what I'm carrying to the college. So this is the bag which I'll be going to carry with this beautiful pouch, in which I'll just keep a chota sa face wash and a moisturizer. That's it. It is very soft, very soft. And in this bag I'll just keep my tiffin, water bottle, a notebook, and yeah. So this is where you get your stuff, just in front of my room. Here was sabzi पूरी थी बट ख़त्म हो गई. टिफिन पैक कर लिया बिकॉज मैं बहुत लेट आऊँगी. सो या हियर इज माय वाटर बॉटल, my bag, and yep. Guys, I'm almost ready. Sorry for the bad lightning. पता फेस ऐसा अजीब सा लग रहा है ना इसमें. So I'll be using this sunscreen because दिल्ली में without sunscreen आप एकदम अफ्रीकन लगोगे. सो बेटर यूज़ अ सनस्क्रीन बिफोर यू गो आउट, एंड अ लैक्मे मॉइस्चराइज़र. सो मैं उसे लगा के आई लॉक माई डोर, आई टेक माई बैग एंड आई मूव. मज़ा आया आज फर्स्ट डे ऑफ एजुकेशन. यार एक्टिविटी बहुत मस्त थी. मैं आपको बताती हूँ एक्टिविटी था क्या. हम दोनों पार्टनर्स थे एंड हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे को एक्सप्लेन किया, नॉट डिस्क्राइब किया, बट हम इतना डिफिकल्ट टास्क था नहीं डिस्क्राइब करना, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग. सो वी नेल्ड इट. आई वाज द बेस्ट, isn't it? Yeah. Fortunately. So abhi we are here in the washroom. यहाँ हम लोग आते जाते रहेंगे. It would be just very normal stuff. कैंटीन वाले लोग साइड हो गए हैं. हाँ, cafe, coffee and Maggie and then what not. So let's go to the canteen. Done with the classes at 4 p.m. and it was so amazing. Like सारे teachers का इतना मज़ा आया ना, I can't even tell you. It was just on to the mark. Okay, so this was all for this vlog. I know it was really short, but this is all I wanted to show you guys, the fun and the activity we do in the class, and it's great, but I just wanted to keep it short and crisp. So hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and just have a look at the fun we are doing it. And if you liked it, then just give a hit and subscribe and then comment and then share and then do whatever you guys feel like. See you guys in my next video. Toodles!